I'm good. I was just involved in a car collision.
Okay, do you need an estimate?
Yes, I do. How much is that going to be?
Our estimates are free. Let me get Mike up front to look at your vehicle, and if you would please fill out this form.
Sure, thank you.
Hello, I'm Mike.
Hi.
If you don't mind me asking, how did you hear about us?
My insurance referred me, and a month ago my friend had her car repaired here. She told me you guys took very good care of her, and the vehicle looks great.
Oh, great. We'll have to thank her for that referral. And just to let you know, we offer a lifetime written guarantee on all of our paint, body, and framework. Let's go have a look at your car. It looks like there might be some underneath damage on your car. I'm going to have the technicians put it up on the lift so we can identify all the damage. Would you like to wait on this, or should I call you?
You know, Mike, I really like what I've heard so far. With the lifetime guarantee, it sounds great. Can you tell me how long it's going to take to fix the car?
This type of repair normally takes around 10 working days. There are a few steps I need to take with your insurance company. I'm going to get a complete estimate together with all the parts, labor, everything needed to get your car back to pre-loss condition. I'll coordinate this with your insurance company, then I'll call you and give you an update.
That sounds great. Is there anything else?
Yes, you can log on to our website, www.motorcarmall.com, and you could request photo updates on a daily basis to see how the progress is coming on your car.
That sounds great. Thank you so much, Mike.
Oh, you're welcome, and your car's in good hands. Well, we've got the parts in. All the new weld-on parts are here, and our ASE certified tech, Mark, is going to be installing them. Okay, our technician now has the old parts removed from the vehicle. They've been cut off. The new parts are correctly positioned, clamped in place, and our technician Mark is ready to weld things together. So he's going to put some spot welds in all the right spots, and this car will start to come together and be just like it was. Okay, our technician is now in place, and he's going to be doing some spot welding of the new parts. Each spot weld is done thoroughly. That way this vehicle will be back restored to its original condition. So our technician's got all the parts welded on the car. We've got the car masked off and covered to protect it from any overspray, and it's time to put some paint on it. We're going to do three things. We're going to put an epoxy primer on all these new parts. That's what the factory does to keep it from rusting, so we replace that just like the factory. We're also going to put a primer sealer and then the color coats. got our 3 paint steps completed. We've got our epoxy primer on, our paint sealer, and the body color. Now it's time to treat the inside of these new panels with the cavity wax. This tool that Mark's holding has a 360-degree spray pattern that coats the insides of these new panels with the cavity wax, and that keeps rust from forming later on. Okay, Mark's going to go ahead and apply the cavity protection now. That stuff's covering all the inside. Great protection. No rust later on. Okay, so now we've got the inner structure of the car parts painted and rust treated. Now it's time to take care of the bolt-on parts. Most body shops only paint the outer edges of the new parts. That's just the part you can see. At Motor Car Mall, we go a step further. We sand the whole underside of it and we paint the whole underside of it. That way you're totally protected from rust when you run through mud puddles and stuff. If that gets wet, and it'll rust later on if it's not treated and painted properly. So at this stage, we've got our new fender installed. The car is ready to paint. We're going to paint the new fender. We're going to blend both of the adjacent panels so we have a really good color match. And we're also going to paint the new bumper cover. Alright, so we've got the car painted, and boy, it looks great. Now it's time to unmask it, send it back over to the body shop for the final assembly.
I just saw my car in the parking lot. It looks great. Sure is clean. Did you guys just wash it?
Yes, we do a complimentary wash and vacuum on every collision job we do.
Wonderful. You know what? It looks, like I said, it looks really good. The color matches perfectly.
Thanks. Everything came together really well. We also did a 4-wheel alignment on the car, and on a test drive it drove perfectly.
Okay, so what's next?
Well, Teresa's going to go over your guarantees with you. You have a lifetime written guarantee, and of course, if anything ever doesn't seem right on your car, please give us a call because we cover you in the car for as long as you own the vehicle.
Mike, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.